Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 8 power x plus 2 power root x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So here 8 we can write it as 2 power 3 whole power x equal 2 power root x. Now as per exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power n power m. So it becomes 2 power 3x equal 2 power root x. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 3x minus equal root x. Now if I'll do squaring both sides, so it becomes 9x square equal x. Take the x to this side. So now if I'll take x as common, so 9x minus 1 equals 0. So first case when x equals 0 and second case when 9x minus 1 equals 0. So x is equals to 1 by 9. So these are the two values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.